Hi, I'm Andy Hepworth from IMA Schelling UK. Elephant are an Italian company and they produce lifting devices for panels. The industries that Elephant specialise in is wood, glass, metal and marble. We offer the full range of the Elephant product which caters for all types of different panels, panel sizes and all different applications for lifting panels onto machine beds. The big thing nowadays is the economics of running the machine. The Elephant product is a very economical product to run and very low energy costs. It also lifts a multitude of weights. We have provided machines in the steel industry that we lift up to 1 ton with. A lot of things that people overlook when they're wanting to invest in lifting equipment is the control of the machine, and that's where Elephant is really strong. Instead of a tube lifting device, we have an inverter, so there's a lot more control on the actual lifting. The other big advantage of the Elephant product is we can just add on cups for lifting virtually any type of panel that is required. Other key features of the Elephant product is the ease of changing between manipulators depending on the type and the size of material that is required to be lifted. At IMA Schelling, we have engineers that do the full installation for us. From an after sales point of view, they are quite a simple machine as far as technology goes, and very few spare parts required. Elephant is a fantastic partner for the IMA Schelling group because it allows us to offer the full solution for loading and unloading heavy material onto our saws.